An armed carjacking has occurred in North Florida where multiple agencies are now on the lookout for the stolen box truck. State troopers spot the truck on a major highway and the pursuit begins. The driver is 30-year-old Brandon Baker. He pushes the stolen truck to its limit, barreling through any obstacle in order to get away. 17 law enforcement officers from 3 agencies, plus the sheriff's helicopter, are attempting to get this criminal off the street. After playing bumper cars for 20 minutes, Baker suddenly emerges from the moving truck. The K-9 is in position to apprehend, and there is nowhere else for the felon to go. For more Cop Cam videos, please click subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.
He's coming me at 377, he's coming me, he's traveling in the southbound lane. Traveling north in the southbound lane.
Looking forward, that unit stay in the median. We've got 4 units in it. He is northbound, southbound lanes. Northbound, southbound lanes.
About 30 miles per hour, passing the 378. You go back across the northbound?
Southbound lane stop. We have southbound lane stop.
He's cutting back. He's going back north. 148 JRCC. See if the county can shut down some ramps to keep him off secondary roads. That big old truck. Let's try to keep him on the interstate. The truck trying to hit you guys.
424. He's swerving across all lanes northbound. Swerving across all lanes northbound. We have a rolling roadblock northbound. No traffic in front of us at this time. We're in the prairie.
Looks like he may get off the exit, but he's swerving all 3 lanes right now. There's 49 just tried to stop it. Unsuccessful. Exit 384, exit 384. Going north, he's probably going to get back on the interstate again. Keep heading north. So we're westbound on Archer Road. Westbound on Archer Road. Westbound on Archer Road. He's going to go northbound, southbound lanes. 22. Subject going the wrong way on the ramp at this time. Wrong way on the ramp from Archer. Have him on camera. Getting back onto Archer Road. Westbound on 24 this time.
behind the suspect vehicle. Continue. Wrong way west on 24 at this time. Wrong way west on 24 at this time. Suspect is back in the right direction on 24 at this time. Behind the electric unit. Advise what street that you all just turned on, because we can't make out the sign.
It's going to be southwest 45th Street. He's going into Celebration Point. He's going to run out of the road.
Southwest 40th Street, correction. Southwest 45th Street from Archer.
He turned back, Jack. He's back on 24th.
Suspect back on 24th this time. From 45th. Eastbound on Archer this time.
Eastbound on 24 still. Eastbound on 24.
Eastbound on 24.
Is that helicopter up? Do they have eyes on it? Jack is going north to southwest 37th Boulevard.
You're about to start on southwest 67th Boulevard.
10-4, you want to do a Best Buy?
Recording.
Uh-oh, buddy.
Signal 12 to the lock.
Alright, we're back on Archer Road. I am now the lead vehicle. Oh, signal 4 into a ASO K9, still eastbound, place P. Hey, you good?
You can get where the out of it. I'm going to check on this quick car.
Alright, we are at 35th Boulevard, still eastbound, wrong side of the road, coming up to 34th Street.
Hit that truck, hit that truck.
Trying to get to it. Speed 60 mile an hour.
You have any lag at right?
Northbound 34th Street, northbound 34th Street.
Alright, 1388, I'm calling it. Northbound through Mendoza Boulevard on 34th Street.
Trying to get up to a pit.
Signal 4, gaining wrong lane of traffic. Piccadilly, wrong lane of travel, past Piccadilly. Continuing on. Alright, we're still continuing northbound, passing the Metro Diner.
Here's the city to help us, guys. We need to stop this now.
Stand by. Okay, so very far. Attempted pit. We are going through the Metro Diner Plaza. We're on 34. Keep off. Everybody hold the traffic for a second so we call it. We're through the parking lot. We're about to come out at 34th Street. southbound on the 34th Street. Going back southbound 34th. I'm going to need a supervisor for my vehicle. Southwest 20th, and I need it blocked up in Meadows Boulevard. Uniform 661, block 20th Avenue.
The front is
10. 10 foot.
hold up.